Hello and welcome back to the Old Soul Millennial channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you the easiest and quickest way to apply Ortho Home Defense to the perimeter of a structure. Now if you own a house, a shed, a building, or even if you're renting, one of the simplest ways to help keep bugs out and protect that structure is to regularly apply some type of insect killer / repellent. Personally, I use this Ortho Home Defense. I'm not sponsored by the company at all. I've been using this product for about 2 years now, and it does really a pretty excellent job at helping to keep bugs away from the house. Now, according to the instructions, you're supposed to apply this product once every season, so 4 times a year, but I really only do it once a year in the spring, and it seems to suit my needs just fine. Now, when you go to buy a gallon of this stuff at the big box store, you can buy it in one of 3 ways. You can buy it in a refill canister, which it doesn't come with any type of spray wands or nozzles. You can buy one that has one of these retractable squeeze handles, and these are fine, but the problem with these, especially if you have a large area to do, your hand gets tired really quick and it's pretty slow. And they also sell a canister with a wand. I haven't tried the wand yet. I'm not really sure how well it works, but I found that by far the easiest and quickest method to apply this product to the perimeter of a foundation is with one of these, and I will leave a link for this product in the description down below. So this is just a pump sprayer. All you do is untwist the cap. Of course, there's a little bit of pressure in this right now, so I'm going to bleed off the pressure. But you simply untwist the cap. Careful not to remove the O-ring because that's critical. And you fill this canister with your Ortho Home Defense. And after you fill this pump sprayer with your product, go ahead and reinstall the sprayer head. Screw on the head good and tight. And after you get that head good and tight, all you're going to do is just pump it up. Build some pressure in the canister. And this basically becomes a pressurized container, so when you go to squeeze the trigger, this stuff sprays out. So now let's go over to the foundation and I'll kind of show you how to apply this stuff. It's pretty simple. So before you go ahead and start spraying this stuff, I also recommend donning some PPE. So I like to wear these long rubber gloves, safety glasses, and also a respirator. I figure it doesn't hurt, but I'm going to keep the respirator off just so you can hear me talk. But after you pressurize this pump sprayer, on these pump sprayers, the nozzle is adjustable. So if I twist it right, it'll create more of a straight stream. As an ex-firefighter, we have a saying, right to fight, which that means if you twist this nozzle to the right, it's more of a straight stream. So if we turn it to the left, it's more of a fan spray. So it should be fanned out now. See how that's fanned out? But again, if I twist it to the right, it's more of a straight stream. Well, that didn't really work out, but that's how it's supposed to work. Maybe my nozzle's clogged up a little bit. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and apply about a 12-inch wide fan. So normally what I like to do, I like to get about 6 inches up on the foundation and about 6 to 8 inches on the ground. So I need to fan this out a little bit, so I'm going to twist this to the left. There's my fan. I'm just going to apply it like so. See, about 6 inches up on the foundation, about 8 inches down on the ground. And this just makes the process so easy and quick, and it's not making your hand all sore. So let's continue on over here. Make sure you're in view here. And it doesn't get any easier than this. Another really important tip that I have is if you have any shrubs or brush or anything grown in your garden along your foundation, make sure that this stuff is cut away from the house. This is getting a little bit too close. I like to try and keep all my bushes and shrubs at least 12 inches away from the foundation because that can create like a bridge for insects to climb onto the house and kind of like overshoot this nice perimeter that we're forming here. But additionally, that could also cause mold and algae and just not allow the house to dry properly when it gets wet. But Anyway, I have a lot more work to do. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. As always, I will catch you on the next one. And again, I'll leave a link for this in the description down below.